We're working in accounting, and we're going to come down to journal entries. The journal entry page will pop up. You can use today's date or change the date with the calendar. You can put in a reference number, whether it's an invoice number, a return, possibly a customer's name. You can put in a memo. You come down here to the drop box and you can put vehicles, the amount that you're planning on paying. You add more. For the drop down box, you would come back and this would be checking. And always make sure that these two amounts are equal. You would come down here. If you're going to be making a new one, you would put save new, or save changes, or save and exit. You can go back and back into journal entry, and you can put in what you're planning on doing. Let's put credit card fees. You would also add the banking information if it's coming from your checking. And like I said, make sure that you balance everything out and put save and exit. We're going to come back into, we're going to see a funds transfer. Funds transfer is when you are transferring money from one account to another. We already have a balance in checking, but we don't have anything in cash on hand. So maybe we should be putting checking to cash on hand. And you can transfer over the money from one account to the other. You can change the date up here in the corner by changing the calendar. You would hit save and exit, or if you're going to be transferring more funds, you can put save and new. Come back over. We're going to do a bank deposit. You would pick the account category and the current balance and the amount that the person is going to be putting in. And this is what they're going to be doing. And then you would come down here and put save and new or save and exit. This will show the journal entries, the fund transfer, and the bank deposit.